What's guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, so please subscribe my channel and bell icon. De 1932 Polish coin holds a special place in the history of Poland's monetary system. Minted during the interwar period under the Second Polish Republic, this coin represents a time of transition, national rebuilding, and economic challenges. For collectors, historians, and numismatists alike, the coin is not only a piece of currency but also a symbol of the resilience of a nation that had just regained its independence in 1918 after over a century of partition. This script explores the value of the 1932 Polish coin, specifically its historical, numismatic, and market value. While the most well-known coins from 1932 are the 2 zloty and 5 zloty denomination, each coin from this period provides insight into the nation's craftsmanship, culture, and economic conditions. Poland regained independence in 1918 after 123 years of partition among Austria-Hungary, Prussia, and Russia. In the years that followed, the new Polish state sought to establish its own identity, including through national currency. The zloty, meaning golden, was introduced in 1924 as part of a monetary reform led by Władysław Grabski. The coins minted in 1932 were part of this monetary system and reflected the Polish Republic's effort to stabilize its economy amidst European turmoil. 1932 was a year deeply affected by the global Great Depression. Poland, like many other nations, faced inflation, unemployment, and economic stagnation. This influenced both the minting quantity and circulation of coins. Several coins were issued in 1932. But the most notable ones that attract collector interest include 2 zloty 1932 Józef Pilsudski bust 5 złotych 1932 Nike Goddess of Victor 1 zloty 1932 Woman with Chief Allegory of Agriculture 10 groszy and 20 groszy denomination. Each of these coins holds unique value based on its design, metal composition, minting quantity, and condition. Most Polish coins in 1932 were struck in silver or nickel alloys. For example, 2 zloty 1932. Composed of 75% silver and 25% copper. The obverse features the bust of Marshal Józef Pilsudski, a revered Polish leader. The reverse displays the Polish eagle with the inscription, Rzeczpospolita Polska, and the denomination. 5 złotych 1932. Struck in 75% silver, showcasing the figure of Nike, the Greek goddess of victory. It's one of the most artistically admired Polish coins. 1 zloty 1932. Nickel coin featuring a woman sowing grain, representing agriculture and national prosperity. 10 and 20 groszy 1932. These were smaller denominations often used in everyday transactions and were generally struck in nickel. The silver coin, especially 2 and 5 złotych, tend to have higher intrinsic and collector value due to metal count and demand. Value of a coin is strongly influenced by its rarity. Coins with low mintage or those that were recalled, melted down, or lost during wars are typically more valuable. Approximate mintage figure, 2 zloty 1932. Tilde 5 millions pieces 5 złotych 1932. Tilde 1,5 millions pieces 1 zloty 1932. Tilde 15 millions pieces 10 20e groszy. Over 20 millions combined. While these figures suggest the coins were widely circulated, surviving high-grade examples are rare, especially uncirculated or proof specimens. Additionally, due to World War II, many coins were melted for their silver or lost during upheavals. Grading greatly impacts the value. Coins are typically graded on a scale: poor P barely identifiable, heavily worn good G significant wear, most details worn of thin F, moderate to heavy wear, clear B flat details very thin VF, light to moderate wear, sharp major details extremely thin XF, light wear on high point, almost full details above circulated O. Very slight trace of wear mint state MS no wear, may have minor flaws from minting. A 1932 5 złotych coin in MS65 condition can fetch prices 10 to 20 times higher than the same coin in F condition. An approximate range of current market values based on coin and grade values as of mid-2025. 2 zloty 1932 silver F. $10 $20 VF. $25 $40 XFO. $50 $100 méga Siemens. $150 $300 plus 5 złotych 1932 silver, Nike Design F. $20 $40 VF. $60 $90 XFO. $100 200 méga Siemens. $300 $600 plus 1 zloty 1932 nickel F. $2 VF. $10 XFO. $15 30 mégas Siemens. $50 plus 10 Grozy, 20 Grozy 1932 circulated. $1 $3 uncirculated. $10 $20 plus de 5 zloty, Nike, is especially prized for its artistic value, silver content, and lower surviving mintage. Collectors from the US, Canada, and Europe actively bid on Polish coin, especially silver denomination and those featuring national icons like Pilsudski or allegorical figure like Nike. Recent auction highlights. En 1932 5 zloty Nike Braided MS66 by NGC sold for over $700 américains. De 1932 Polish 10 zloty coin is a significant artifact in the history of Poland's numismatic. It is more than just a medium of exchange, it is a reflection of the nation's cultural identity, political legacy, and economic circumstances in the interwar period. Struck during the Second Polish Republic, the coin is particularly notable for its depiction of Marshal Józef Pilsudski, a revered figure in Polish history. This piece offers insight into Poland's complex journey through sovereignty, economic transformation, and patriotic symbolism during the early 20th century. To appreciate the 1932 10 zloty coin fully, one must understand the historical context in which it was minted. The Second Polish Republic was established in 1918 after 123 years of partition and foreign rule by Russia, Prussia, and Austria. Poland's return to the map of Europe was hard won and filled with political, economic, and military challenges. From 1918 to 1939, Poland grappled with nation building. The need to unify a country that had been divided among three different empires posed enormous administrative and economic challenges. Currency reform was one such challenge. The currency landscape before the 1932 coin after World War I. Poland initially used the Polish marka, a currency heavily affected by inflation. In 1924, under the leadership of Finance Minister Władysław Grabski, the zloty, meaning golden, was introduced as part of a major monetary reform aimed at stabilizing the economy. One zloty was subdivided into 100 groszy and was designed to restore faith in the national currency and create monetary uniformity across the newly reestablished nation. The zloty was backed by a gold standard, aligning it with other stable European currencies of the time. This new monetary system allowed for the minting of new coins, among which the 10 zloty silver coin bearing the image of Józef Pilsudski became one of the most significant. Józef Pilsudski, the man on the coin Marshal Józef Pilsudski was a dominant figure in Polish politics and military leadership. He played a key role in regaining Poland's independence in 1918 and later served as Chief of State, Minister of Military Affairs, and de facto leader of the country after his coup in 1926. Pilsudski was not only a military strategist but also a symbol of Polish resilience and nationalism. His ideology combined elements of socialism, nationalism, and anti-authoritarianism. The decision to feature him on Polish coinage reflects both his towering legacy and the nation's desire to celebrate its rebirth and unity under strong leadership. Design and symbolism of the 1932 10 zloty coin. The 1932 10 zloty coin was designed by Stanisław Kazimierz Ostrowski, one of Poland's prominent medalists and sculptors. The coin's composition and imagery were carefully chosen to convey dignity, power, and national pride. Obverse front. The obverse of the coin features a left-facing profile bust of Marshal Józef Pilsudski. His expression is stern, evoking determination and strength. The engraving is highly detailed, emphasizing the Marshal's distinct facial features, his high cheekbone, prominent mustache, and military uniform. Around the coin's edge are the inscription: Rzeczpospolita Polska, Republic of Poland. The year, 1932. The Polish state eagle emblem with spread wings, signifying sovereignty reverse back. The reverse features the denomination, 10 zloty, prominently in the center. Beneath it are decorative elements, and the overall style maintains a neoclassical balance of form and function. The coin's rim is reeded, both for aesthetic appeal and to prove counterfeiting. Metal and specification. Composition, 75% silver, 25% copper weight, 22 grams diameter. 34 mm edge. Reeded mint. Warsaw Mint Menika Państwowa. Economic context of the 1932 coin. The year 1932 was a difficult time globally, as the Great Depression was deeply affecting economy worldwide, including Poland. The global economic downturn had a ripple effect on national production, trade, and inflation. Despite economic turmoil, the decision to issue high-quality silver coin in 1932 Polanzinc to maintain a strong national currency and express confidence in its future. The use of silver was also a statement of tangible value in an age of financial uncertainty. However, the cost of minting silver coin was high. Over time, such coin became less practical for circulation and were gradually phased out in favor of more affordable base metal coinage. Yet de 1932 this zlotic coin persisted in memory due to its strong patriotic and aesthetic appeal. From a numismatic perspective, the 1932 this zlotic coin is one of the most desirable Polish coins from the interwar era. Its historical and cultural value, combined with a striking portrait of a national hero, makes the 1932 Polish coin holds a special place in the history of Poland's monetary system. Minted during the interwar period under the Second